I think it's safe to say the AI world is really blowing up right now.
Yeah, a lot.
And if you're running a small business, especially moving into 2025,
Uh-huh.
it can feel like you're just getting bombarded with all this new stuff, all these tools, all these promises. Like AI is going to change everything.
It could be really overwhelming trying to keep up with it all. Absolutely.
So that's what we're hoping to do today,
Okay.
is to give you a little bit of a shortcut
All right.
to understanding some of these tools.
Mhm.
And we're going to be diving into a piece that highlights the top 5 AI tools that every small business owner should know about in 2025.
Okay, sounds good.
But we're not just going to list them off.
Right.
We're going to really unpack how they can make a difference for you listening and your business.
Absolutely. I think that's what people really need to know.
Exactly.
It's one thing to just know that something exists.
Yeah,
It's another thing to know how you can use it
right.
to make your life better and make your business more successful.
Exactly. And this article kicks things off by tackling a problem that I think every business owner faces, which is content creation.
Of course, yeah.
You know, content is still king, as they say.
Right.
But who has the time, right?
Well, and that's where an AI tool like Jasper AI can really come in handy.
Okay.
What's so interesting about Jasper is it's not just your typical AI writing assistant.
Right.
It uses something called GPT-3 technology, which allows it to actually learn from what you're asking it to do.
Wow. Okay. So it's not just spitting out pre-written templates. It's actually like learning and adapting to what I need.
It's learning from the prompts you're giving it and actually generating unique content based on that.
So what kind of content are we talking here?
So we're talking blog posts, ad copy, social media captions, even email newsletters.
Wow.
And you can do all of that from a few simple prompts.
That's pretty powerful.
It is. And this article highlights a small business owner who was able to use Jasper, and they actually doubled their customer engagement and cut their workload in half by using it.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Suddenly AI feels a lot less intimidating and a lot more like,
Right.
a secret weapon
Yeah,
for
absolutely.
small businesses.
It can level the playing field in a lot of ways.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got amazing content, but now what about video?
Yeah.
You know, everybody says video's dominating online, but it
Yeah.
can feel really out of reach for a lot of small businesses to make high quality video.
It's either really expensive or you have to learn all this complicated software yourself.
Exactly. So what's the solution?
Well, this article brings up a tool called Pictory,
Pictory. Okay.
and it's AI-powered video creation tool.
Okay, but what does that actually mean? How does AI make videos?
So basically, you input a script into Pictory,
Okay.
and then the AI takes over from there.
Uh-huh.
It can create scenes using stock footage, graphics, music, even voiceovers.
Wow. So you're telling me I can go from script to finished video without needing like a film degree or...
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the results are surprisingly professional.
So this is really a game changer for small businesses who want to be using video more,
Yes.
but maybe they've been intimidated in the past.
Yeah, it takes away all that complexity and those costs that are usually associated with it.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
Good.
So we've got content, we've got video, but what about keeping those customers happy?
Yeah.
Customer support can be a 247 job,
Absolutely.
which is really tough when you're also, running a business.
It can't be everywhere at once.
Exactly.
But this article highlights a tool that a lot of people have already heard of, which is ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, yeah, it's like the AI everybody's talking about.
Right.
But I'll be honest, I wasn't really sure how it applied to small businesses.
The key with ChatGPT is that you can customize it for your business.
Okay.
You can integrate it right into your website to interact with customers.
So it's like having a virtual assistant instead of just a chatbot.
Exactly. It can answer questions, provide recommendations, handle those basic support tasks,
Wow.
and it's available 24/7.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Even while I sleep.
Yeah, it's there making sure that your customers feel heard.
Okay, this is starting to feel like we're building an ultimate AI-powered business dream team here.
It really is. And speaking of dream teams, let's talk about a department that's not every business owner's favorite,
Oh,
which is finances.
yeah, that's not my favorite either.
Spreadsheets and receipts.
Headaches.
Yeah, not fun.
No.
But AI is making its way into this world too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This article specifically talks about QuickBooks Online.
Okay, I've heard of QuickBooks,
Mm-hmm.
but how's AI involved?
Well, they have this new AI integration,
Okay.
and it really takes things beyond just basic bookkeeping.
So what are we talking here?
So we're talking effortless income and expense tracking,
Okay.
simplified invoicing,
Right.
even smart insights that can help you predict your cash flow.
Wait, hold on. Smart insights. What does that even mean?
Yeah, it's like having an AI financial advisor built in.
Oh, wow.
It analyzes your spending patterns,
Mm-hmm.
predicts potential issues,
Okay.
helps you figure out when to send those invoice reminders.
So less time like, crunching numbers and more time like
Right.
actually understanding my business.
Exactly. More time to work on your business, not in it.
Okay. I like where this is going.
Good.
All right. So we've got content, we've got video, we've got customer support,
Yeah.
we've got the finances taken care of.
Yeah.
But what about making those customer relationships even stronger?
Yeah, that's so important.
It is. It's all about personalization now.
Yes.
So how do we take that to the next level?
Well, this article highlights a tool called Zoho CRM.
Zoho CRM. Okay.
It's a customer relationship management tool that's been around for a while.
Mm-hmm.
But what makes it really stand out now is its AI assistant, Zia.
Zia. Okay.
Yeah.
What does Zia do?
Zia is constantly working behind the scenes to understand your customers.
Oh, okay.
So she tracks their behavior, scores leads, and even predicts future trends.
Wow. So it's like having a crystal ball.
Kind of, yeah.
That tells me exactly what my customers want.
Exactly. It takes the guesswork out of it.
So I can say goodbye to those generic marketing blasts and actually target people with offers they care about.
Precisely. It's all about those personalized touches.
Amazing.
And Zoho, with Zia, is really giving those small businesses the power to compete with even the big companies.
I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've gone from content creation to video production,
Yep.
customer support,
Uh-huh.
smart finances, and now personalized marketing. And it's all powered by AI.
It is. It's amazing how quickly things are evolving.
It really is. It's a lot to take in.
Right.
So where do we even begin?
That's a great question, and it's a common feeling.
Yeah.
I think the key is to not get overwhelmed.
Right?
You don't have to do everything at once.
Okay.
Just start with one area where you feel like AI could really make a difference.
So pick the tool that solves like your biggest headache right now.
Exactly.
Okay. So if I'm like drowning in content requests,
Yeah.
maybe Jasper's my first stop.
Or if my inbox is overflowing with customer questions,
Right.
maybe it's ChatGPT to the rescue.
Exactly.
Okay.
And these tools really are designed to be user-friendly.
Right.
You don't have to be a tech wizard to figure them out.
Yeah. And there's so many resources online now, like tutorials, guides,
Absolutely.
even communities where you can connect with other businesses who are using these tools.
Oh, right. You don't have to do it alone.
It's like a whole support system.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that makes me feel a lot better.
Good.
But I am curious, beyond these 5 tools,
Yeah.
what else is on the horizon?
Well, one thing that I'm really seeing is this trend toward AI-powered personalization.
Okay, we touched on that a little bit with Zoho CRM,
Right.
but it sounds like it goes way beyond marketing.
It does, yeah.
What else can we expect?
So think personalized product recommendations.
Okay.
Website experiences that are tailored to each visitor.
Wow.
Even customer support interactions that really feel like you're talking to a friend. It's like AI is taking those, you might also like suggestions, like taking it to a whole new level, like everything is tailor-made.
Exactly. It's about anticipating needs
Okay.
and creating those wow moments that turn customers into loyal fans.
That's powerful.
It is.
Okay, but with all this talk about automation and AI taking over tasks,
Yeah.
some people might be worried about the impact on jobs.
It's a valid concern.
Yeah.
But I think that AI is more likely to enhance human capabilities,
Okay.
not replace us entirely.
So it's not about AI taking over. It's
No.
about AI working alongside us to make us even better at what we do.
Exactly. It's a collaboration.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
So it's like instead of spending hours scheduling social media posts,
Uh-huh.
I can use AI to do that for me
Right.
while I focus on crafting better content,
That's
so
right.
connecting with my audience.
It frees you up to do the things that you enjoy.
Yeah, the things that really matter.
Right.
Okay, so let's say someone is listening to this right now and they're like, all right, I'm ready to take the plunge.
Okay.
What would you recommend they explore first?
You know, it really depends on your specific needs.
Yeah.
But if I had to pick one tool that's super versatile and easy to get started with,
Okay.
I would say go with ChatGPT.
Really? Okay. Why ChatGPT?
Well, like we said, it can be used for so many things.
Mm-hmm.
Customer support, content creation, even just brainstorming ideas.
Right.
And there's a free version so you can start experimenting without spending any money.
It's like a low risk way to just kind of dip your toes in what
Exactly.
all the fuss is about.
And ChatGPT is constantly being updated.
Okay.
So you're always getting access to the latest technology.
And as your business grows, like your use of ChatGPT can kind of grow and evolve with you.
Absolutely. It's a tool that can really scale with you.
Okay, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Now, this article emphasizes the importance of staying ahead of the curve when it comes to AI. So how can small business owners like us stay informed about all the new developments?
There are a few things you can do. Subscribing to industry newsletters and blogs is a great way to stay up to date.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
There's also lots of online communities and forums where you can connect with other AI enthusiasts and experts.
So it's a good way to kind of exchange ideas and
Exactly.
get advice.
Learn from each other.
And don't forget about good old-fashioned networking conferences and events.
Those are great ways to learn from the leaders.
Right.
See what other companies are doing.
And you can even reach out to AI vendors and service providers directly.
Absolutely.
A lot of them offer free trials and demos. You can really test out their tools.
Yeah. See if they're a good fit.
So it's all about being proactive and embracing that learning mindset.
Exactly.
Now, I know we're focusing on all the positive applications of AI,
Yeah.
but I think it's important to acknowledge that there are some potential risks and challenges too.
Of course, AI is a powerful tool.
Right.
And like any tool, it needs to be used responsibly.
So what are some of the things that small business owners should be mindful of as they're implementing these AI solutions?
One of the biggest things is data privacy.
Okay.
These AI systems, they rely on a lot of data. And it's really important to handle that data responsibly.
To make sure we have like clear policies in place for collecting data,
Exactly.
storing data, using data.
Transparency is key.
Yeah, transparency and trust. I feel like that's essential.
It is, especially today.
Okay, so let's shift gears a little bit and talk about the future.
Okay.
What emerging AI trends are you most excited about?
One thing I'm really excited about is the development of more intuitive AI interfaces.
So instead of typing commands or using complicated menus, we'll be able to interact with AI more naturally, like we're talking to another person.
Exactly, like a conversation.
Wow, okay.
It'll make AI so much more accessible.
And it just opens up a whole new world of possibilities for AI customer service,
Right.
marketing, product development.
The possibilities are endless.
That's really exciting.
It is.
What else? What other trends are you following?
Another one is the rise of edge AI.
Edge AI. Okay, that sounds kind of futuristic.
And is pretty cutting edge.
What is it?
It basically means running AI algorithms directly on devices, like your smartphone, sensors, even appliances.
So the AI is happening on the device itself.
Right. Instead of sending data to the cloud,
Okay.
it can really reduce latency. So AI applications can respond much faster in real time.
Okay, so it's faster.
Yeah.
And it can also enhance data privacy and security.
Right, because sensitive information doesn't have to be sent over the internet.
So faster, more secure, more responsive.
It's a game changer.
Edge AI. All right, I'm going to have to look into that.
Yeah, it's definitely one to watch.
It really is exciting to think about how AI is transforming things.
It is, and it's going to continue to evolve.
Absolutely. So I think you made a really good point earlier about starting small, not being afraid to ask for help. So what advice would you give to a small business owner who's maybe feeling a little overwhelmed?
I would say start by identifying one area where AI could make a real difference in your business.
Okay.
Do some research, check out free trials. Don't be afraid to reach out to experts.
It's all about taking that first step and realizing that AI isn't this big, scary thing.
It's a tool.
Yeah.
And it can help you.
It can help you achieve your goals.
Right.
Build a better business.
Exactly. The potential rewards are huge.
So it's not just about keeping up with the tech trends. It's about using it strategically to actually build a better business.
Absolutely.
I love that.
AI is a tool for empowerment.
Yeah.
Especially for small business owners.
Okay, so as we wrap up this deep dive into AI for small businesses, what's the one key takeaway you want our listeners to remember?
Don't be afraid of AI.
Okay.
Embrace it, explore it, experiment with it.
I love it.
And most importantly, use it to create a better future for your business and your community.
That's a fantastic call to action.
Thank you.
So to all of our listeners out there, go forth and conquer the world of AI. And remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. Okay, so before we let you go, let's play a little game.
Okay.
All right. Imagine you could only choose one of these AI tools to implement in your business right now.
It's tough.
It is, right? So you got to think about your immediate priorities. Like what would make the biggest impact right now?
Yeah. What's that one thing that you really need help with
Exactly.
that AI could maybe solve.
So is it content creation where maybe Jasper can help you brainstorm and write and overcome that writer's block?
Yeah, or maybe it's video.
Right.
Where Pictory can help you create those professional-looking videos.
Without breaking the bank.
Without the big budgets, yeah.
Or maybe it's customer support.
Yeah.
And you can let ChatGPT handle those frequently asked questions.
So you can focus on other things.
Right. Or maybe it's those finances. A hub.
QuickBooks with that AI integration help you make smarter decisions.
Yeah, get more organized.
Feel more confident about the future.
Absolutely.
Or maybe it's Zoho CRM and Zia.
Zia, yeah.
The AI assistant that can help you personalize your marketing.
Build those relationships.
Build those relationships. Exactly.
It's a tough choice.
It is. So many possibilities.
There are.
So what's calling your name?
Yeah. What's that one
What sparks that excitement for you?
What problem are you facing that maybe AI could solve?
That's the challenge we're leaving you with today.
Yeah, think about it.
Do some research. Take that first step towards AI empowerment.
You might be surprised at how much it can help.
Absolutely. And remember, there's no right or wrong answer.
Yeah. Depends on your business.
The best tool for you,
your goals,
is going to depend on your unique needs and goals.
The important thing is to just start exploring.
I love it.
Yeah.
Well, on that note, we're going to wrap up this deep dive.
We hope you feel inspired and ready to take on the world of AI.
Absolutely. It's an exciting time.
It is. It really is.
So much potential out there.
It's been a pleasure diving deep with you today.
Me too. Thanks for having me.
Until next time.
Yeah.
Remember to stay curious, stay informed, keep those entrepreneurial spirits soaring.
And have fun with it.
All right. We'll see you next time.